What is up, everybody? My name is Ryan, and you're watching Project Race Car. Today, as you can see, it's snowing a lot. We got a good couple inches. A lot of people would be scared of driving rear wheel, but it should be good. We'll see how she does, and kind of give you tips and tricks today on driving in the snow with a rear wheel drive car. Let's do it. Alright guys, first step is getting out of the driveway. With this, you're going to want to just try to make it to the street. So if that means flooring it, you floor it. Wow, we got a lot of snow. Okay. And just make it out to the main road. Nice. After this, you're gonna want to turn off traction control. Hold it, and traction control is off. Woo! Woo! Nice, we're doing it now. Next step, right turn. Wanna kick it? Nice, we made it out to the main road. Step one to driving in the snow is just gonna be leave early. You have to give yourself enough time to get there slowly. And that brings us to our second tip, is to drive slow, take things slow, and yeah, just have a nice, relaxing, calm drive in the pretty snow. Yeah. Tip number 3 is gonna be coming up to stoplights. If you know that you're stopping, go ahead and throw it in neutral, or just take your foot off the brake and start slowly applying the brake. You don't want to try to stop too fast, otherwise that's just going to cause issues and you're going to slide. If you ever need to stop fast in the snow, trust me, it's not going to go well. Guys, tip number 4 is coming up. Don't take side roads. I know that might be one of a shock, but main roads are going to have people driving on them. So you're going to have a clear path for your non-good traction getting car. That was English, right? Really just stick to the main roads, and they're going to be a lot less cakey with snow, and you're going to have a better time. It's going to be less scary. Guys, you know how it's going. What's next? Number 5, I think. 6? 5? 6? I don't know. Anyways, another tip for you. Don't drive like a dick. I really, you shouldn't have to say this, but especially in the snow, you guys with all-wheel drive know who you are. Drive like total dickbags, right? Now, you might be thinking, Ryan, what's a dickbag? That guy. People that ride your ass. Really, it's just let the car drive and don't ride people's ass, and give them enough space, because you might be able to start faster than all these other cars, but you won't be able to stop as fast. So if you have all-wheel drive, you know who you are, Subarus. Let us BMW folk drive, okay? Okay. I tip at you guys because I thought of one, because I'm going off the top. Just try to relax and calm down when driving. I know a lot of people get very anxious in the snow, and it's definitely a scary thing, but just try to calm down, take a deep breath, throw on some classy music, and really just get your jam on, and try to take a deep breath before you start driving. If you ever drive scared, then it's not going to be a good time. So, okay. Just wanted to throw that out there. Look at these guys go. You're doing great. Following Ryan's tips and tricks. That guy knows what he's doing. Oh, wow. That guy knows what he's doing. Look at that Jeep go. Okay, guys, similar to the stopping trick, start off slow. If you have a manual or if you have an automatic, just start slow. Don't give it too much gas, and let traction control help out a lot. Again, just don't floor it. Driving in the snow, I think, is about making not that many drastic decisions. You know, fast braking, fast acceleration, hard anything is going to be bad for the snow. Snow doesn't like that. So, oh geez, get ready with the stoplights. Know when the stoplight is changing, so then you can start, especially if you're going to spin like I do. So let's see traction control right now. See, just nice and slow. Okay, we're going to switch it to second because this road is really icy. Nice. See, look at that. Now we're doing it. Kinda. Nice 20 miles an hour. This is why you want to give yourself time. I'm gonna move over here. Perfect, guys. Now we're doing it. Wait, guys, I thought of another tip. When you are switching lanes, see how like the road is separated? You know, you can see the road marks, like the tire marks. If you're switching lanes, switch lanes slowly. Very, very slowly, because you know you're switching into these icy spots. So switch lanes slowly and take your time. Bonus tip. That was way too much. Bonus tip. Get new windshield wipers and brush off your car of all snow. Some states actually require that. If you are going to, you know, if your car is parked outside, brush off the top. Otherwise, when you're driving, then it just sprays snow over everything, and then you can't, like the person behind you can't see. So get new windshield wipers and brush off all the snow on your car. It's going to help both you and other people. You guys are doing great. I think you guys are ready to drive in the snow. Once you get all these tips and tricks down, then you'll be able to do something like this. Suck my dick, Quattro. Woo! Alright, guys. We're doing it. We are doing it. Blinker is on. Traction control is off. Woo! Nice, guys. You can do stuff like that, or stuff maybe like, oh, I am in second. Wow. Okay, hold on, wait for it. We got a roundabout coming up, and by roundabout I mean cul-de-sac. Same thing. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Okay, guys, I was going towards the cul-de-sac and the snow got really deep, so I'm gonna not get stuck, if that's okay with you guys. But we made it to the gym. All that time we were just going to the gym. How crazy. Wow. Guys, we made it. I'm proud of us. If you do everything correctly, all you'll see at the gym are Jeeps, Subarus, and trucks. So you got your BMW rear-wheel drive to the gym just because of these tips and tricks for driving in the snow. Be safe out there. If you did enjoy the video, I had fun making it. Hopefully it was entertaining to watch, but stick around for more content. My name is Ryan, and this is Project Race Car.